you hide under the covers, serenade each other with careless melodies. Something very deep inside us, the major and the minor, like piano keys. You play for me, you play for me. Oh, you play for me. I swear, even in my sleep I hear it like the memory of everything we used to be. You play for me. The symphony by your side, the unity. My energy, my guiding light. Couldn't stop the world from turning. It was like a whirlwind, scattered us like leaves.
I still remember the nights we lost our minds in the summertime. Skinny dipping in the water, tropical thunder, hearts beating at the same time. And you with your long dark hair, plumeria flowers everywhere. I fell in love with your world. Now I will always be your hula girl. Come to my hooky hooky loud and love me like nobody's watching. I'll throw my nets back into the sea, hoping you'll come swimming right back to me. Come to my hooky hooky loud, and here I will always be waiting. I call your name. Life showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and as time went on, she was strong enough to let